After just a few headline-making flights, Global Airlines' only Airbus A380 has been placed back into storage, but this time it's not headed to Mojave Desert. Instead, the Super Jumbo has flown to Tarbes, France, where it will remain parked for now. The airline has confirmed that the aircraft will stay there until it enters its next round of heavy maintenance. Still, Global insists this isn't the end, saying it won't be long until it's up in the clouds once again. Let's take a closer look at what's going on. Earlier this year, Global Airlines made waves by becoming only the second operator to fly a second-hand Airbus A380. While the flights were technically operated by Highfly, the branding and ambition were all Global's. The aircraft in question, registered as 9 Hotel Golf Limo Oscar Bravo Limo, affectionately known as Global, is currently the airline's only A380. On July 16th, the aircraft was flown from Dresden, Germany to Tarbes, catching the attention of aviation fans worldwide. In fact, it became the most tracked flight on Flight Radar 24 that day, drawing thousands of viewers. Prior to this, the jet had been stationed in Dresden since May 26 after completing a brief 30-minute test flight on July 5th. A spokesperson from Global Airlines commented on the move, explaining that the jet had finished its maintenance work in Dresden and is now parked while preparing for the next heavy check. They added, "It's always great to see her in the sky, and it won't be long until she's flying off to her next adventure." Interestingly, this particular aircraft was registered in Malta on February 2nd, 2024, more than 500 days ago. And yet, since then, it has only flown on 20 separate days, less than 4% of the time. Even more striking, only 4 of those days included flights for scheduled passenger services to New York. In total, since being re-registered under Global Airlines, the aircraft has logged just 62 hours of flight time. Its longest flight so far? A transatlantic crossing from Montreal to Glasgow. A ferry flight that had to be flown with the landing gear down due to incomplete gear testing. Tarbes, the A380's latest destination, is known as a storage and maintenance hub for large aircraft, often used for long-term parking. Previously, this A380 had been parked at Highfly's base in Beja, Portugal for about 3 months. What remains unclear is how long it will stay in France, and what the airline's timeline is for bringing it back to flying condition. So what do you think? Will Global Airlines A380 ever fly regularly again? Or is this super jumbo destined to remain a symbol of ambition that never quite took off? Let us know what you think in the comments below.